Hello friends, I hope you all are fine. Friends, we were discussing on the topic of Indian plays. What are the principles of the origin of Indian plays? We had already discussed on two principles. The first was described in the first chapter of Natya Shastra, which was told by Lord Brahma, and the other was given by some Western scholars like Max Muller, Shilpa Levi, Halter, etc. That was on the basis of Rig Vedas, Suktas, like Pururvara Varshi, Yamyambi Samad Sukta, Sarmapani Samad Sukta, Vishwamitra Nadi Samad Sukta, etc. etc. And I also told you the theory of shadow play. What is the theory of shadow play? I also discussed on this point. Friends, now I am going to tell you another theory of Indian plays, that is called pole dance theory. Pole dance theory was given by some Western scholars. Friends, before understanding the pole dance theory, let me tell you the meaning of pole dance. What was the pole dance? Friends, in Western countries, it was very popular and very important thing for entertainment. In some countries, people used to lay out a pole. What kind of pole? Bamboo pole. People used to lay out a bamboo pole in a fixed locality, and after doing this, they used to do some entertaining things like dancing, singing, etc., by which the audience appreciate it very well, and it was mostly done in spring season only. It was just like a festival of them, for them, like we celebrate Deepavali, Holi or Raksha Bandhan. They celebrate it like a festival. It was for special. It was a special occasion for them. And the scholars of those countries gave the name pole dance theory. They called it pole dance theory. On the basis of pole dance theory, they described, they illustrated, they highlighted it that the Indian plays are developed from this pole dance theory. Not only Indian plays. All the plays are developed from this pole dance theory. That was called pole dance theory. But friends, if we criticize this theory, then it was not very authentic. It did not get very popularity across the world. That's why it was flopped. In other way, Dr. Keith gave a theory of natural changes. The theory of natural changes. What kind of natural changes? Friends, see, I just tell you by an example. Like in Treta Yuga, Lord Rama killed the Ravan, and in Dwapar Yuga, Lord Krishna killed a Kansa. These both incarnations became some changes in across the world. They did some changes across the world. Major changes. See, after killing Ravana, Treta stage was completed. After killing Kansa, Dwapar stage was completed. Then we can say that those in both of the incarnations both of the incarnation made some major changes across the world. That is called the natural changes theory of natural changes. After, because how it is called a theory of natural changes, because in Treta Yuga, whatever Lord Rama did, everybody wanted to do like that. Everybody wanted to follow Lord Rama. It is described in Saitya Darpana. Ramadivat vartitapyamna Ramanadivat. Mean we should behave like Ram, not like Ravana. Then everybody wanted to perform, everybody wanted to follow Lord Rama, not Ravana. Then they wanted to play the role of Rama on the stage. And from this thing, plays were developed, drama were developed. This is the theory of Dr. Keith. But after some times, neither any country accept this theory, nor Dr. Keith accept, nor Dr. Keith believe in this theory himself. Dr. Keith rejected himself this theory because it was also not very authentic. That's why it did not get any kind of popularity in the world. After Dr. Keith, Professor Weber gave a theory. What did he say? He said that Indian plays are developed from Greek plays. But Dr. Keith rejected this theory. He concerned on this theory. He said that there is no similarity in between Indian plays and Greek plays. Then how can you say that Indian plays are developed from Greek plays? It was also flopped. Now I am concluding this thing. First of all, I told you a divine theory, a divine principle which is described in the first chapter of Natya Shastra and told by Lord Brahma himself. And the other is given by some Western philosopher, Max Muller, Shilpa Levi, Halter. That was on the basis of Rig Vedas Suktas. These two principles, these two theories are popular, and these two theories are acceptable. Nothing else. The theory of pole dance, the theory of universal changes, the theory of shadow play, these all are crashed out. Then We should accept only two theories for the origin of Indian police.